This is me. I'm in central Otago. I'm just outside of a place called Cromwell, which is about 40 minutes drive outside of Queenstown. And it's an unexpectedly nice evening. So I've got the Neo with me, and I've also got the RC-N3 controller with me. So let's just try a few different shots. We'll try the drone by itself. And then we'll try a little bit of remote control and see what kind of difference we get. And hopefully I'll be able to screen capture that, and you'll be able to see what I see on the screen when I'm flying too. This is direction track using the microphone algorithm to cut out the propeller noise as I'm flying. How's that looking? All right, I think. Let me just fly over here. And if I turn around, oh, it's not going to let me turn around. Whoa, I want you to fly over there. All right. You can come back now. There he goes. This one's off on a helix. And the sun's out. And I daren't look at what it's doing and how far it's going to go away, because I really want it to come back. And I'm not quite over the water's edge, I don't think. Although that's going pretty close. There we go. That's much better. Ooh, I judged that distance just about right. Otherwise, yeah, I could have been in a little bit of trouble there. All right. There it goes. It was a bit breezy, but it's now calmed down a little bit, which is really good to know. The sun's gone down a bit. It might help with the glare as we get the mountains behind me. I'm just in this scrubby bit of land, really, just to give myself a little bit of radius. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Well, that went pretty well, apart from finding a dead rabbit, which I won't bother showing you. But if you like this video, you know what to do, and there's much more Neo stuff coming soon. This is a bit joggy on my 16 Pro, eh?